Well, we did it. We made it through the night. And why, Zola? Because we're survivors. Me and you and your mom's gonna pass the boards, and hopefully you don't throw up on me in the next 15 minutes, right? Where have you been all night?
At the hospital, I was finishing your neuro research. Why is she in a bumblebee costume?
Oh, she's thrown up on all of her other clothes.
Mark said that he misses me. But I miss him. So I really miss him. You know, and he thinks that I still love Jackson, but I try to tell him that I don't. I try to tell him that I still love him. But I open my mouth and nothing comes out. And everything is terrible.